Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make bubble chart in Excel 2013. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now I am select some data, click and drag on our mouse, then go to the insert menu. Select the recommended chart option and go to the all chart. Now I am select the bubble chart. Go to the scatter chart and select the bubble. You can make the 3D bubble or the simple bubble. Now I am select the simple bubble and click OK. Now we can see here we make a bubble chart. You can rename the title. Click inside the text box and write your title. You can change the color, style, another. Go to the chart design menu, select the style option and add another style. Now we can see we make a bubble chart in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.